Welcome. If you've been using Telegram and noticed those Zoom animations popping up in chats, you might find them a bit distracting or unnecessary. The good news is, you can easily turn them off to make your experience cleaner and more focused. Let's walk through exactly how to disable Zoom animations in Telegram. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top corner and tap on the menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Next, tap on Chat Settings. Here you'll find various options related to how your chats are displayed. Scroll down until you see the Animations option and tap on it. Inside the Animations section, look for Power Saving options. Under this category, tap on Effects in Chats. This is where Telegram lets you control different visual effects that appear while messaging. Now, you'll see the option for Zoom animations. Simply uncheck it. Once you do that, the zoom effect in chats will be turned off immediately. That's it. From now on, your chats will feel more streamlined, especially if you prefer a faster and less animated interface. This can also help reduce distractions and slightly improve performance on some devices. If you found this helpful, make sure to explore more Telegram settings to customize your experience even further.